Okay, y'all. This is KP, freedom fighter, civil rights activist, doing my research on NCIC report. I'm at the middle, as you can see on this film, but this is real relevant to all y'all out there who have police like me, LMPD, Alex Thompson, officer badge number 7294, lying on you about a burglary case or a stolen gun from the burglary case planted in your home. Stolen gun planted from a fake burglary, but yeah, it's in your home. And they said to the grand jury now, that I was a suspect that stole the gun. Page 2 and 3 of the grand jury entry. The grand jury date is January the 21st of 2020. They needed to report by January the 14th so that they can block me trying to get my record expunged by February the 2nd. If this February 2nd date would have went through, they would have had problems. So, let's see what they say about NCIC.
Retrieved the stored information.
There's a brother.
Printed out the reply.
Print out the reply. That's when you're supposed to get it.
It is a hit.
It's a hit on Kerry
was
Porter.
one of those stolen from the sporting goods store years before.
On burglary at 9502 Plumwood Drive, Louisville, Kentucky, 40291.
Back in the squad room, the detectives make a follow-up contact at once.
A follow-up
NCIC
contact.
provides lead-type information. Good police work takes it from there. The police chief gives further details, including name and physical description of a possible suspect who disappeared after the burglary.
At the grand jury.
Now they have enough information to put out a police bulletin on the fugitive robber.
They had enough information to lock me up. Dereliction of duty if they don't. It's injustice to the public, injustice to me, and injustice to the guy whose house I was supposed to burglarize.
For the following police announcement.
I interrupted this program.
Wells, white male, approximately 25, about 5 feet 8.
Kerry Porter, black male, 5'9".
Possible gunshot wound, right hand.
No gunshot
Is
wound.
wanted for armed robbery. Should be considered
Should have been indicted for a burglary.
Do not attempt to apprehend, but call Metropolitan Police 222-1234.
I should have been arrested for burglary that day, November 30th, 2019. 12:15 911 call. He said he did Courtnet and NCIC. He should have known that day when they did a search that gun planted in my home came up as neither suspect.
In another state would have been difficult, and it might have taken days or weeks.
It should have took this long to come up after me.
An inquiry brings immediate identification of the gun. Follow-up information from the originator.
Again, B87-34-8. Stolen gun planted in my home from the burglary.
The liquor store robber the same day. Result? Swift
No arrest.
Of a dangerous
Perjury for the grand jury. This is KP, y'all. Department of Justice, there's your information on Brady material withheld by Mark Baker, Commonwealth Attorney. 1465-34 is his number. I'm KP on Alex.